Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of class 10th, this is your English teacher Sadia Kuyum. In this lecture, I am continuing with the same chapter, namely Papachi's Moth. Today, I am going to discuss about the active and passive voice. Let me give you a brief introduction of the voice change. Voice. Active voice, passive voice. The process of changing one sentence from active to passive voice and passive to active voice is called voice change. Now, rules of voice change. There are basically three major rules of voice change. So, rule 1 is you have to exchange the places of subject and object of the sentence. Example, active voice, I eat rice. Passive voice, rice is eaten by me. Another example is football is played by the boys. It is passive voice and active voice. The boys play football. To understand more clearly, we should look at the examples. In active voice, I eat rice. In passive voice, it becomes rice is eaten by me. So, the subject of the active voice has become the object of the passive voice, and object of the active voice has become the subject of the passive voice. In another example, in passive voice, football is played by the boys. In active voice, it becomes the boys play football. So, in the example, football is the subject of the passive voice, which becomes object in the active voice, and by the boys, which is the object in the passive voice, has become the subject in the active voice. Now, rule second. While exchanging the places of subject and object, you have to focus on one thing. The form of the subject of an active voice has to be changed a little. The change happens as here I have make two columns, active voice, passive voice. So in active voice, I becomes by me in passive voice. Similarly, we becomes by us in passive voice. You becomes by you in passive voice. Active voice, he becomes by him in passive voice. Active voice, she become by her in passive voice. They becomes by them in passive voice. And any kind of names like Rahim, as shown in example on page number 52 of your textbook, becomes by plus any kind of names that is by Rahim or by Ram, etc. Yith pٲٹھۍ तहंज book pet page number 52 pet छ dith active voices man छ Ram helps the poor. Passive voices man छ the poor are helped by Ram. Rahim's ब्रोंट छ लगा by. इथे पठन छ यही कोर में डिस्कस यत एग्जाम पन्ने इंट्रोडक्शन मज कोर में यह डिस्कस. Rahim as shown in example on page number 52 becomes at buth kun ch laga by plus any kind of name. Kah te name istan navas bun kin kah te nav Ram asya Rahim asya at buth kin ch laga by. I hope the previous rules has clear to you all. Now, let us focus on next rule, that is rule 3, which is a bit difficult and the most important rule. The change in a voice is the changing of the verbs. This changing of the verbs depends on the tense. A. Change of verbs in simple present. Example: active voice, I drink milk. Passive voice, milk is drunk by me. In active voice, I drink milk becomes milk is drunk by me in passive voice. So here drunk has changed to is drunk. Drunk is actually V3 form or past participle form of drunk. So here you can see that the verb drunk has changed to is drunk. It is the basic rule of changing the verb of simple present tense. So the basic rule is subject plus am is or plus V3 third form or past participle form of the verb. So, subject followed by am, is, or. The use of am, is, or depends on the subject. Then it is followed by V3, that is the third form or past participle form of the verb. Some more examples are: you play cricket. Cricket is played by you. Next example: he makes the plans. The plans are made by him. They do the work. The work is done by them. یِمن ترٛٮ۪ن ایگزامپلن منٛز وٕچھو تُہۍ پلے چھُ گوٚمُت چینج از پلیڈ میک چھُ گوٚمُت چینج اور میڈ مطلب ایکٹِو وایسَس منٛز چھِ میکٕس یہِ چھُ گوٚمُت پیسِو وایسَس منٛز چینج اور میڈ سِمِلرلی چھُ ایکٹِو وایسَس منٛز ڈوٗ یہِ چھُ گوٚمُت پیسِو وایسَس منٛز چینج از ڈن سو in these sentences the auxiliary verbs like is or and auxiliary verb چھِ یِمن sentences منٛز is تہٕ or and man verb کُس چھُ یِمن منٛز play make to do بیٚیہِ چھُ گوٚمُت استعمال V3 یا past participle forms گٔے played made then of the simple present verbs. Simple present verb چھُ play, make to do or used here as the main verbs of the passive sentences. This is all about today. صُبحس پَرو أسۍ اِنشاءاللہ بیٚیہِ اَمہِ مٔزیٖد اَمِکۍ روٗلز اِنشاءاللہ بِہِو خۄدایَس حوال آز گوٚو یُتُے stay home stay blessed. السلام علیکُم.